walks and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky! Gardrnes!
Hey there, Bjorn. So, why are you throwing all these seeds around?
Hey, Bucky. Good morning. I'm not throwing them around. I'm planting a vegetable garden. It's going to be completely organic.
So what does that mean? What's the word? Floor panic?
It's where
What?
you scatter your seeds around and then let nature do the rest. Completely organic, yeah!
There's just no way you can leave this stuff to nature. You need to be technological. I'm talking about civilization! Huh?
Hi, Bjorn! Hi there, Bucky. What's happening?
Morning, Franny. Hi.
What's up? We're both planting vegetable gardens. Bjorn will do his organic thing while I use technology.
That's spectacular. I'm off to pick blackberries. Later!
I'm gonna be like the greatest gardener in the history of gardens. Genius time farmer style. Behold, the Farminatortron Omaticizer! So, where do I want to plant all these seeds? I feel the need. The need for seed! I will make the planet feed me! There, all planted. What's step 2? Right, water time! Whoa! Well, looks like it's clearing up. Bjorn, hey! What are all these green things over here? I don't think they're vegetables.
Actually, they're weeds. They won't cause problems. They're harmless. The weeds are also part of the organic world.
Well, you might not mind, but I don't want any weeds in my garden. Now I feel the need to weed! Take that, silly weeds! Very, very quite contrary. Let my garden grow! Huzzah! Who are these little guys?
Calm down. They're harmless insects. Don't worry. They don't interfere with my garden at all. Part of nature, right?
Well, they sure interfere with my garden. Chicky, attack the bugs!
Nature will straighten everything out itself.
Think what you like. My garden's gonna get lots of fertilizer.
Huh?
Hi there! I brought you some blackberries, guys! How are your gardens doing?
Look! Mine has no weeds, mine has no insects, and lots of rocking fertilizer. So fertile! That's technology.
Franny, hey, do you want to take a look at my garden? No chemicals at all. Organic, nature's way.
Organic's awesome! Really cool, Bjorn! And yours is cool, Bucky. But where are your crops?
They're somewhere in here. I mean, they must be in here somewhere, right? I just have to find them. Oh, hold on, I know they're close by. Wait.
Well?
Crops incoming! Where are the tomatoes? They should be here. I just need to look for them. There. Just come on. Hey, I found one. Well, they're not big. Bjorn, this is all your fault.
And why is it my fault?
I'll tell you why. 'Cause your weeds are everywhere.
So? What do my weeds have to do with anything?
Hey, guys. What if you two take a step back and see if you put your cute heads together, you can figure this out.
I'm not sure, but thanks for your input.
I should get going. Bye, guys!
Well, so, you want to try this?
Try this what?
Combining our different ways.
We could try it, but there can't be any weeds.
That's fine. And maybe a bit less cannons and screaming. Look what we did! It's better to work together than apart. Don't you think, Bucky?
Duh! We actually make a pretty good team, the two of us. Dude, we should be on TV!
Yeah.
Global warming.
Huh?
Oh. Wait, don't go! It's too darn hot. Now I know what a potato feels like when it's baking.
What a heat wave we're going through.
Phew, boy. What a scorcher. Wish I could take my fur off.
Genius time! Must beat the heat! Huh? Poor little overheated beak face. Chicky, don't worry. I'll cool you down, pal. Wait there. Here, and here. Also here. Also here. And here. And here too. Now, which wire leads to what? Was it red or blue? Or was it gray or gray? I better unplug them both. Just to be certain. They're alive! Alive! You are so lucky to have a friend as smart as me. You'll be cool in no time. I just need to get some nice refreshing drinks from the fridge now. Come to me, my lemonade. Whoa, no way! It's even too hot inside the fridge. This isn't just a heat wave. This heat must be the work of global warming. Well, all right then. It's time to invent something that protects us from Mr. Sun. This is my best idea ever. Beat the heat. Yeah. Ha. Huh? Ah.
Hi, Bucky. I brought you some nice cold fruit punch.
Franny, thanks, but I don't have time for punch. I'm doing something really important. Can you not see that I'm working hard on a machine that will block out the sun?
Great. Why would you need to block out the sun?
To save the world from the terrors of global warming. Look, Franny. Ooh, just need a few props. And there. Say you're relaxing in the sun, just catching some rays, and you start to get a little extra hot. You start up your sweet sun-blockinator O-Matictron and... shade! Even on the hottest of days!
Huh? A fire? Looks like it's near Bucky's place. I'm coming to rescue you, buddy!
Oh, Bjorn, hi there. Want some fruit punch?
Hey there. Bucky? So, what's burning?
Nothing's burning. It's worse. Global warming is ravaging our planet. Bjorn, my poor fridge is no longer cold. It got warmed.
This is bad. Hurry, we've got to save our forest.
So, will you two boys have some of my punch or not?
Who cares about the punch?
Don't you die on us, forest. Hey, come on. Pump it, guys. Keep on pumping it. That's great. You picked the wrong globe to warm, Buster. Put your back into it.
So heroesque. Well, guess I should put the punch in the fridge.
Who cares about the punch?
The stuff is delicious. Huh, that's weird. Oh, it's been turned off. Odd choice on such a hot day. Oh, the pluggy's outie. There you go, sweetie. Now it'll cool right down. See you later, Punchy.
Hump, you humpers! Hump like the wind! Yes! Take that, global warming!
Fellas, I'm heading home. Bucky, I plugged your fridge back in for you and left some punch. Okay, bye!
Huh? It wasn't global warming that did it then? All this time, I unplugged the refrigerator myself?
And we both thought that we were saving the entire forest. Pump, guys! Pump like the wind!
That's Franny the Fox 1, global warming 0. Want some fruit punch?
That sounds amazing. It's really hot out today.
Well, that's global warming for you.
Insomnia.
Could this get any worse? Are you kidding me? Shh! Nobody cares who. Go away, world! Stop it! Ignore it. Just ignore it. Gotcha. Now shh. I mean it. No! Bjorn! 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 Hey! It's me! Bucky!
Hey, Buck. What's going on?
Oh! Morning, Bjorn. I can't sleep because I've got no sleepnia.
Insomnia. That's what they call it. Go take a nap. Come back this afternoon and we'll talk about why you can't sleep or whatever then.
How am I supposed to take a nap if I can't sleep?
Well, you've got a point there. Well, let's solve your problem together and figure out why you're having this insomnia. To start, tell me everything you did yesterday.
Yesterday, hang on. In the morning, I did some pretty important high-tech research. A little light farming, a lot of high-level brain stuff. Like most days, it's pretty taxing. Then, after lunch, some moderate to heavy farming, with yoga on the side. Then, after some advanced gravity experiments, I invented a whole new way to use a chair. Oh, then finally, I thought of 2 rhymes for the word orange, but I didn't have anything to write them down with, so I forgot them. Yeah.
Uh-huh. So you just played Farm Hero all day long.
That pretty much covers it, yes. Well, I was gonna do more, and then I just didn't.
Well, I do know one cure for insomnia, but I left it under this big pile of firewood. Can you help find it?
Easy McPeasy. Not really seeing anything under here. Maybe it's under this pile. Or these piles.
Keep looking. You're doing great, Bucky.
Hey! What's up? Where's your cure? It's not here.
Well, that's weird. I was sure it was there. What if it's lost in all that big, tall grass?
Right. So where's the lawnmower? I was hoping for the kind you ride on. Oh well, this will work just fine. Still no sign of a cure.
Keep looking. It's gotta be somewhere.
Nothing. Nada. Squat.
Well,
what?
now that I'm remembering, that insomnia cure could have fallen from my pocket while I was planting trees. Wanna check?
Please.
Is it under that log? Or by the fence, maybe? Keep looking.
If I look any harder, my eyes will explode.
Yeah, it's under the log. Or in the hedge. There. Oh. Hey! I definitely had it in the flower bed. Maybe. Or was it in the leaves? Or the dock that isn't there yet. And did you check the Zen rock garden? Or under my dirty dishes? Where, oh, where could it be? While you're checking the roof, can you install this pinwheel? Nice, thanks. So is it up there?
I can't believe we still haven't found your insomnia medicine after looking all that time. It's mega extra lost. Phew, I'm so tired. I'm sleepy. I'll get some sleep and then we can look for the insomnia cure again in the morning.
Why bother with that? A hard day's work is the best cure for insomnia at night.
Makes sense. Hope I can find that no-sleep Nia cure when I wake up.